In this tutorial, I will show you the voltage regulation of transformer. So, what do you mean by regulation? Regulation is a measurement of secondary terminal voltage from full load, from no load to full load. Okay, so what will be the percentage regulation? Percentage regulation will be the no load voltage V no load minus V full load divided by V no load into 100. So this is the formula of percentage voltage regulation. Okay, now to obtain this portion, I need to draw the equivalent circuit of the transformer. Okay, I am erasing this part. Say I'm drawing the equivalent circuit of the transformer referred to secondary. Okay, so what will be this is right. I am neglecting the no load means shunt component of the equivalent circuit. So this is referred to secondary. Okay, now secondary resistance is R2, secondary reactance is X2, current flowing I2, this is your load, and this is your V2, right? Now what will be the primary resistance? Primary resistance will be K square R1, this is K square X1, and the primary voltage will be K V1, right? So what will K equals to V2 by V1, and it can be also written as N2 by N1, right? Now if take the KVL equation from this equivalent circuit, so KV1 equals to, okay, take R02, say as this equivalent circuit is referred to secondary, we need to just measure the total resistance of this circuit, total resistance referred to secondary. So R02 equals to R2 plus K square R1, right? R2 plus K square R1, and X02 equals to X2 plus K square X1, right? Now I am writing this KV1 minus resistance drop. So if okay, minus resistance drop is this R and into I2. So I2 R02 cos phi. Okay, so phi, I'm just writing the complete equation, then I will discuss. this I2 x02 sine phi minus V2 equals to 0, right? This is the KVL equation. Okay, now say phi 1 is the angle between V1 I1. Okay, so this is the primary power factor angle, and secondary power factor angle phi 2 is the angle between V2 I2. As this drop means IR1 I1 R1 and I2 R2 is much greater than I1 X1 and I2 X2, then the power factor angle phi 1 equals to phi 2 we can take as phi. So this is the phi. Okay, now if we just see the KV1 minus V2, this will be our no load minus full load voltage, right? So we are erasing this. Hey friends, I am just taking 20 seconds of your valuable time. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you are not, then please subscribe it, because this contribution from your side will really encourage me to do more videos like this. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Thank you. Okay, so percentage regulation is V no load minus V full load divided by V no load into 100%. Okay, so what will be this part? This part will be this I2 R02 cos phi plus I2 x02 sin phi divided by V0 into 100. So this is the formula of regulation, right? Now I can also write as plus minus, because plus this positive sign is for lagging power factor and negative sign is for leading power factor. Okay, so this is the rule. Now I am erasing the now this is the formula of regulation, percentage regulation, right? Now the condition of zero regulation. Condition of zero regulation means this equals to 0, the regulation equals to 0. So I1 R02 cos phi plus, we are taking the okay I2 x02 sin phi equals to 0. No need to write the denominator part. Okay, this is equals to 0, so this numerator will be 0. So if we calculate tan phi will be equal to minus R02 divided by x02, right? So this negative term negative sign indicates leading power factor. So in leading power factor we can get zero regulation. Okay, if we calculate the condition of maximum regulation, so what will be the condition? This term, derivative of this term should be 0. So d phi of I1 R02 cos phi plus I2 X02 sin phi, this equals to 0, right? Now if we calculate this, this will be minus I1 R02 sin phi plus I2 X02 cos phi equals to 0. So the tan phi equals to X02 divided by R02. So here the positive sign indicates the lagging power factor. Okay, lagging power factor. If I just plot the power factor versus regulation plot, okay, I'm erasing this. If y-axis denotes the percentage regulation and x-axis denotes the power factor, and this is 1, say 0, so suppose this is 0.8, this is 0.6, this is 0, and in this axis we get negative power factor. Okay, so the plot will be like this. Okay, so in this direction we get the lagging power factor, and in this direction we get the leading power factor. Okay, so these are the two conditions for zero regulation and maximum regulation.